Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. BSNL's Economic Family Plan now provides 1 GB data per day for 3 mobiles. One of the key reasons for BSNL's success is it offers mobile and broadband connection to its customers. Under this service, there's one plan of Rs 11.99 which earlier offered one mobile connection along with a broadband connection. The same Rs 11.99 plan has now been rebranded as BSNL Family Plan, and as the name itself suggests, the plan provides both broadband and mobile connections. This plan is valid across the country where BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, has its telecom and wired broadband services. The BSNL Family Plan offers a broadband connection of 10 Mbps, but the FUP is limited to 30 GB only. And on top of the broadband connection, a user can combine 3 BSNL prepaid connections, so that they will get 1 GB of data per day for the validity period. And BSNL is also providing free BSNL Tune, but the voice calls on BSNL prepaid network will be charged as per the standard rates only, which is the reason why BSNL has introduced an array of voice calling STVs in the country. Digging deep into the benefits, the Rs 11.99 BBG Combo ULD family offers a 10 Mbps broadband connection per month with FUP of 30 GB. Post the FUP, users can enjoy download speed at 2 Mbps for the rest of the month. After availing this plan, users will be required to choose 3 BSNL prepaid numbers for which they want to avail the free mobile services. Each number is applicable for unlimited voice calls including roaming calls and 1 GB data per day. Post the 1 GB data, users will get 40 kbps data speed. Earlier, the same plan used to offer 1 GB data for all the 3 numbers and that too for the entire plan validity period. However, that's not the case anymore as the telco decided to offer 1 GB data per day for all the 3 BSNL connections. That said, users will not receive any SMS benefits. Having said that, the revised plan will be effective from April 1, 2018. This is such a great move from the government-owned PSU as it will help the company add more broadband/telecom subscribers. Do make a note that this is not a new plan as the company just revised the daily data benefit for each SIM card. On the whole, BSNL is providing a great plan for both the broadband and telecom consumers alike. While broadband data doesn't inspire confidence, the company is nailing it with the telecom data per user. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.